G'day guys, what we're doing, we're in a garden and there are tuis in the tree, and I'm going to play some music of a tui bird calling from the other phone, and the bird is coming to see where the invader is. Let's see if we can get some close-up pictures. Oh, there he goes.
It's not going to stop you, mate.
No, it's not going to stop. I want to get a close picture. There the tui is. He's in the tree wanting to have a look where this tui is. New Zealand birds are very inquisitive. Hello, beautiful.
Pigeon's just eating its food.
Wow. So really quite a little. I think they don't like. I imagine it's territorial.
Yeah,
Hey, hey Tui.
you would definitely upset them.
Ah. There's a wood pigeon in this garden as well. Wood pigeons aren't territorial. They fly in flocks, if you're lucky. Where's our wood pigeon gone? There's a wood pigeon way up in the tree here. Wax eye. Oh, so many pretty little birds in this garden. By the way, we're in Lower Hutt, which is near Wellington. It's the dormitory suburb of Wellington. There's a lot of big industry here. This is a nice home in middle class type area. And when I left New Zealand in '84, you just didn't see native birds in the forest around cities. But now more people are planting indigenous trees, and here we are, have tuis coming to say Anyway, we better not harass him anymore. Peace.